Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Let's fix this internal server error and move further for the Odoo installation. Okay, so why this happens? Because the database we haven't create in our conf file, so we have to do that. So we have to run this command. Okay, the terminal. First of all, stop this one. Now hit this one command. Okay, so it will install every modules which is not yet installed, so make sure you have to install all this. Okay, after this, now move to the next step, that we have to start Odoo and then check the status. Okay, and now if I go and just check over there, just reload it, now this screen will appear. Okay, or you are going to use password, enter email or the password to log in. So I think Magento developer 1993 at the gmail.com, and the password I'm going to put over here, wrong email and password. So manage databases, yeah, this is the databases that we have. Let me check how we are going to log in with email and the password, but I haven't set it yet. Let me check. If so, the default one is that the username, that is admin. Let's have a look. It will log in or not. Let me check once more. So maybe this will work. Admin. This is not working. This one is also not working. Admin. Yeah, admin work. So default admin is there. So now you can see that we have now successfully installed the Odoo onto a local host, right? So that's it. Now in the next video we are going to overview each and everything. Now we are going to create the modules, launch it, everything we are going to learn in the coming series. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.